Blue carbon is simply the term for carbon captured and stored by world's coastal and marine ecosystems like mangroves, salt marshes, and seagrasses. Mangroves, seagrasses, and salt marshes along our coast capture and hold carbon, acting as something called as a carbon sink. This coastal system, though much smaller in size than the planet's forests, sequester this carbon at much faster rate and can continue to do so for millions of years. A healthy coast and oceans stores blue carbon as shown in figure. Blue carbon ecosystems can help to address climate change resulting from the global emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere by removing and storing some of that atmospheric carbon dioxide for long time scales in sediments and deep water. Blue carbon ecosystems are found on every continent except Antarctica, covering approximately 126 million acres, 51 million hectares of coastline. Much smaller amounts are stored in underwater sediments, coastal vegetation, and soils. Carbon containing molecules such as DNA and proteins, and ocean life from whales to phytoplankton. These ecosystems store massive amount of carbon, making them an integral part of global efforts to combat climate change. Blue carbon ecosystem, mangroves, seagrasses, salt marshes. They cover just 2% of total ocean surface but account for 50% of ocean's carbon absorption. Mangroves dominate warmer tropical and subtropical coasts. Salt marshes thrive in temperate zones and seagrasses grow across the globe. Tiny phytoplankton act as ocean's primary CO2 removers, sucking up around a quarter of CO2 from the air. Together, blue carbon ecosystems store around 12 billion metric tons of carbon worldwide, and each year they add an additional 81 million metric tons of carbon to their soil. Blue carbon is stored in biomass of coastal vegetation and sediments beneath them, soil and mud. As shown in figure, carbon storage.